You can go from zero to full-time investor in only 5 years. If you start today, you can make a living from your investments by January 2031. The way to do that is not by taking crazy risks or gambling. It's not by predicting the future of a stock. I'll show you the step-by-step plan you have to follow. And I give you the sheet where you can calculate exactly how long it will take you to hit your magic number, where you can replace your current salary with income from your investment. Your step-by-step plan is math, not magic. And you'll be surprised how simple it is. No skills or experience needed. Everyone can do this. So in order to make your step-by-step plan, we have to ask the following questions. How much capital do you have available today? How much can you add every single month? And how much income do you need to replace your salary? By answering those questions, we can do the math. And I've made this sheet that calculates everything for you. We'll calculate what it takes to hit $5,000 per month and $10,000 per month in income from trading. If you leave a comment, I'll share this sheet with you so you can enter your own numbers and do your own calculation. We are assuming that we are starting with a $10,000 account and that you can add $300 to your account every single month. It's important that you add extra funds every month. That's a big part of accelerating the time it takes to reach your goal. Either start saving on your spendings or find a way to make an additional $300 per month. For our calculation, we are assuming that $300 is added to the account every single month. In the sheet, you can put in your own number if you end up only finding $250, or even better, maybe you can find $500 every month. If you can add more, you'll get to the finish line way faster. Now, we'll use two different salary targets. The goal is to replace the salary you currently have. Target A is for you if you're having a $5,000 salary per month. Target B is for you if your salary is $10,000 per month. So here are the assumptions we're using in the model. Based on the real trade data from my last video, $7,241 in profit on a $30,000 account over 6 months, and assuming we deploy 80% of buying power, the model estimates a monthly return of around 3.6%. And just for context, that's roughly 50% annualized. Again, that is past performance. There's no guarantee the future will be the same, but I kind of trust the way I'm trading. So I think there is a chance. Now, let's see what account size you need to replace your income. If your income is $5,000 per month, the model says you need roughly $139,000 in your trading account. If your income is $10,000 per month, the model suggests that you need $278,000 in your trading account. That's the number you should focus on getting to, because that is ultimate freedom. You can stop working 9 to 5 and have a full-time salary, no boss, no customers. That's ultimate freedom. Okay, so now we know what we need. Next question is, how long is it going to take to get there? So I'll go to this projection tab, and we can see here month by month how our account will develop. When we start with $10,000 and we add $300 every single month, then we apply the monthly returns from the investments, and we watch the account grow. Under these assumptions, you'll hit the 5,000 per month level in about 59 months. That's just under 5 years. So if you start now, that'll be January 2031. And you hit the 10,000 per month level in about 78 months. That's about 6.5 years from now. So that's the answer. It'll take you 5 to 7 years of trading a profitable strategy consistently to become a full-time investor. Is that faster or slower than you expected? I don't know. Here we have real data suggesting that you can create $5,000 monthly in almost the same amount of time as getting a college degree. So if your goal is to trade full-time, look at the next 4 to 5 years like you're getting a degree. And you kind of are, because I guarantee you that if you stick to this consistently, you will end up knowing more about stocks, finances, and investing than 95% of people do. But it does take a lot of time, and it's important you have fair expectations. We've all seen all these YouTube videos from people showing that they make $5,000, $10,000 per day trading a 5-minute candle. The truth is that those setups are fake. It's not that easy to make money. The biggest and most successful Wall Street firms are happy if they can make 10 to 20% return every year. So you should be thrilled if you can make 50% consistently. But how do you make 50% returns if the big Wall Street firms only can make 10 or 20%? because you're trading a very small account compared to them. They can't trade this kind of strategy with billions of dollars. There's just not enough option volume for them to do that. So this is one of the few strategies where we actually have an edge compared to big firms. But let me be clear, even if you have a solid strategy, full-time trading has a few realities. It doesn't mean that you make $5,000 every single month. You'll have months that are doing better, you'll have some that are worse, and you'll have some that are horrible bad. But the data suggests what your average outcome would be. Taxes. When you start making money trading, you'll have to pay taxes. If those come out of your trading profit, then your compounding will be reduced. It's going to take longer to reach your goals. But there's no way not to pay taxes. Drawdowns. It's never fun to take 5 or 6 losing trades in a row. But it's important that you learn to go through that process and keep your head cool. Again, look at the next 4 to 5 years as your education. Look at every losing trade as a lesson. Analyze your losers more than your winners. And always ask yourself if the outcome was expected or if you did something wrong. Or was it just the market acting out and ruining it for you? So personally, I wouldn't look at the required balance and say, perfect, I'm going full time the moment I hit that number. I would focus on the plan. I would focus on growing my account month after month. And I would look at these years as education. And when you finally hit that number where you can do this full time, then you're also ready for it because you have gone through a couple of years of ups and downs and you have learned how your strategy works. So now you can trade full time without getting nervous even when the market is crazy. If you want this sheet, you can leave a comment and I'll share it with you. And here is how you should use it to get your number. You're going to put in your real starting capital, what you have right now. Put in the number of money you can add every single month and be realistic about this and make sure you actually do it. This is a roadmap to financial freedom. But you're not going to get there if you're lying to yourself or putting in fake numbers. So put in the exact number of money you're going to add to your account every single month and make sure you do it without ever skipping a month. If you want to reach your goals, you got to be serious about how to get there. If you want, you can play around the model and you can change the assumptions when it comes to buying power and expected returns. But the data I put in is what I think is the most realistic data based on my testing on real trades. But there's nothing wrong in being a little bit conservative with, for example, the return. If you do better than the expectations, great, you'll get there sooner. And before we end, as always, I'd like to place a real trade so you can see how it works and follow the results of the strategy. Today, Tesla looks interesting. I'm looking for stocks in an uptrend with RSI below 55. I'm following all the rules mentioned earlier in this video. Expiry date around 40 days from today. Short put below Delta 28. $10 wide spread. And I want to get at least $2 in credit. Easy, simple, and straightforward. Trading should not be complicated. Because if it's complicated, you can't repeat it over and over. And the only way to be profitable consistently is if your process is repeatable. So if your process is too complicated, it's not going to be a winning strategy long term. Let's write it up in my sheet so I can track it and I can show you how it goes in my next video. So that's how you become a full-time trader. It's not about motivation. It's not about believing in yourself. It's not about taking crazy risk. It's capital contributions, it's realistic returns, and then it's time. I hope you learned something from this video, and I suggest you watch my last video as well, because then you will know why I'm making the assumption I'm making, and you'll have a chance to decide if you believe the numbers will also work in the future. Obviously, past performance doesn't guarantee anything for the future. If you learned something today, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and please come back and see one of my next videos. Quick disclaimer, this is educational, not financial advice. The numbers and results are based on my real trades, and there are no guarantees that my strategy will provide the same results in the future. Do your own research before you get started, and don't do anything stupid.